Hello everyone. Today we'll explain you that four number A, B, C, D are in proportion. Then what are the condition? Okay, before that, just here I'm going to tell you that when four number A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion. These four number A, B, C, D will be in proportion under this condition that ratio of the first two number is equals to ratio of the next two. Then they are in proportion. As example, suppose if I take 2, 3, then 20 and 30. Here I have taken this four number 2, 3, 20 and 30. So if I take the ratio of these two, it is simple 2:3. And here it is 20:30. And if we reduce by dividing both numerator, antecedent and consequent by 10, it also comes 2:3. So both of these two having the same ratio 2:3, that means we can say that the number 2, 3, 20 and 30 are in proportion. Now, suppose 2, 4, 8 and 16. Let us check whether they are in proportion or not. 2:4, that means it is 1:2. 8:16, also 1:2. So we can say that 2, 4, 8, 16 are in proportion. Now these two are equal. Now these two are known as the mean proportion, and these two are called the extreme proportion. Now one more ways to verify whether the numbers are in proportion or not. If we find out the product of the mean, these are called the mean and these are called the extreme. Now the product of mean 4, 8, 32, 2, 16 are also 32. So product of mean is equal to product of extreme. That is also one more ways to verify the numbers are in proportion or not. Now, suppose out of this 2, 4 and 16, four numbers are in proportion. We don't know the fourth proportion, that is unknown. So if it is not given, then the fourth proportion we can assume let it be x. Four number are in proportion. Out of these four number, first, second and third is given. Fourth one we don't know, we have to find out. Let it be x. Now if these are in proportion, what we can write? Ratio of first two is equals to ratio of next two. Now product of mean is equals to product of extreme. So from there what I can write? Product of extreme is equals to product of mean. Now since subject in the extreme part, so that's why I am writing extreme product first. That means 2 into x is equals to 4 into 16. Therefore from here we have x equals to. So the fourth proportion is 32. So easily we can find out the unknown part. Suppose out of these four, whatever is missing, that easily we can find out by assuming x. And then by using this process, that means the formula product of mean is equal to product of extreme. But what I tell, you just check that subject belongs to in which part, mean part or extreme part. If it is in the extreme part, see this portion is the mean and this portion is the extreme. So that's why I've written extreme first to take subject at first. Then it will be easy to find out. Now suppose three numbers are said to be in continued proportion A, B and C. These three numbers said to be in continued proportion means ratio of first two A to B is equals to ratio of B and C. So what is the ratio of A and B? Same with the ratio of B with C. Then A, B, C are said to be continued proportion. Here B is the mean proportion and A and C are extreme proportion. So the condition for continued proportion is B square equals to AC. As example, 2, 4 and 8, they are in continued proportion. Let us check. 4 square is 16 and 2 into 8 also 16. So what you can write? 2 is to 4 is equals to 4 is to 8. Now, out of the three numbers which are in continuous proportion, one is missing. Suppose the mean proportion we don't. 2 mean proportion I don't suppose that be x and 8. 2x 8 they are in continuous proportion. We have to find out what is the mean proportion. So what I can write, 2 is to x is equals to x is to 8. So square of mean equals to square of x tilde. Since subject x in the mean position, that's why I'll write mean product first. Square of mean x into x is x square is product of the x tilde, that means 2 into 8 is 16. Therefore x equals to 4. So the mean proportion is 4. Suppose the first part is missing. Say 4, 8 and first proportion is unknown. We will find out this. Same process. This is x. So what I can write, x is to 4 is equals to 4 is to 8. So in case of continuous proportion, the middle one will come twice. One with the first and second time will come with the third. So same way now we'll write product of x tilde as the subject belongs to the x tilde part. That means x into 8 is equals to 4 into 4. So x equals to 16 by 8 is 2. So like this here we can solve this.